Welcome back to Finpod, your daily pulse on the markets. I am Evan, and today we are cutting through the noise. Whether you are hunting for the next breakout or trying to avoid being the exit liquidity, remember that Fintwit.ai is your institutional-grade edge for real-time signals. Let us dive in. The talk of the town on social media is undoubtedly the biotech sector. Moderna exploded today, finishing up over 170%. The catalyst was a massive Phase 3 win for its experimental cancer vaccine, developed with Merck. The trial showed that combining this personalized mRNA treatment with Keytruda significantly improved survival outcomes for melanoma patients. Merck also caught a major lift, jumping over 12%. This is a classic case of a high-conviction catalyst changing the narrative for a company searching for its post-pandemic identity. Elsewhere, Marvell Technology shares popped nearly 10% after announcing a deep expansion of its partnership with Google for custom AI chips. Google even secured warrants to buy over $12 billion of Marvell stock, which clearly spooked investors in Broadcom, who fell over 4% today. Finally, Coinbase and other crypto-linked stocks rallied alongside Bitcoin, which pushed back above $68,000, largely driven by new SEC proposals that aim to clarify rules for capital raises in the crypto space. Broadly speaking, the market had a decent day. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq both closed in the green, lifted by a Treasury announcement that helped soothe some of the recent volatility in the bond market. It was a day where sector-specific wins in biotech and tech infrastructure outweighed broader macro concerns. Looking at the AI landscape, the infrastructure build-out remains the dominant story. While we saw some headlines about AI-fueled cyber threats targeting industrial controllers, the bigger capital story is the massive investment flowing into advanced chip packaging to meet the insatiable demand for high-performance computing. We are seeing a historic inflection point in how global supply chains are being restructured to support data center growth. Moving to individual movers, we had a busy earnings slate today. Target was a standout, reporting strong revenue and earnings that beat expectations, with management pointing to success in its digital and same-day delivery channels. Lowe's also saw a positive reaction, with its stock rising 2% as its focus on pro and home services helped offset the persistent weakness in discretionary DIY spending. On the flip side, Viking Holdings took a hit, dropping over 7% despite strong revenue growth, as investors weighed the potential impact of low water levels in European rivers on future operating costs. Estée Lauder also saw a massive move, surging over 16% after its latest financial report. That is the wrap for today. We have covered the biotech breakthroughs, the shifting alliances in the AI chip space, and the key retail earnings that are defining the current consumer climate. Don't be the last one into the next big move. Stay informed. Like, share, and subscribe to keep getting these updates, and drop a comment if there is a specific stock or sector you want me to break down next. For stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. See you tomorrow.